Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my new setup for YouTube. I have been doing YouTube for years and I've just now realized how easy it is to have a really good setup. I'm in the progress of improving, but I want to share the little bit of information that I do have. If you are on a budget and want to have a cool setup, this isn't just for YouTube either. This can be for like game streaming and stuff, which I will get into in a minute. I get a lot of my stuff on Amazon. I got my going on here. I got my green screen and my lighting off Amazon, and that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. You can obviously see my green screen. It does have a few creases in it, and I got this off of Amazon. I am going to link everything down below, so if you're interested in either of these items, make sure to go check out the links. So the green screen that I'm using, it was only $10. It was like the cheapest one that I could find on Amazon that didn't look too sketchy, and that is what I have behind me. I literally tacked it to my wall with thumbtacks, with push pins, and that is how it is attached to my wall. I don't have it like on one of those hanging things. I just have it on my wall. It's folded almost in half. So it is pretty large, and like I said, it was only $10, so that was a steal for this. I'm gonna see if I can find the dimensions. 5 foot by 7 foot is how long this is. So I've got it 5 foot across, and then I folded it like in half and just hung it up behind me. Green screens are really great for YouTube videos, like for any type of editing really. The whole reason that I actually got it was for game streaming on Twitch, which I don't really do as often as I would like. If you guys want to check me out on Twitch, it's VanessaAnn00, same as my YouTube name. But I do play a lot of Fortnite on the PS4, so that was my intentions for all of this. But then I realized that the green screen is perfect for YouTube, so you can like take it out and you can see that it's just the green screen. But then easily with my MacBook, I go to iMovie and it's literally just one click and it will get rid of the whole green screen, so it'll just be me and whatever background I choose. I can literally choose any video or any picture that I want to be in my background and I can make it happen, and that's only with the $10 green screen. Now moving on to the lighting, I did get 3 lamps. I think it's from Limo Studio. 2 of the tall lamps, they're pretty tall. They come with umbrellas to like make sure the light's going in the right way and just make the light look really nice and white. And then the tabletop lamp, it did come with a tabletop lamp. I think that's important because I want my 2 tall ones on the sides and then my tabletop one pretty even with my face in front of me. So that's what's going on here. So it was around $50 for the 3 lamps. It came with a carrying case, the 2 umbrellas, and 3 light bulbs, which are really nice and bright. So everything that I have here was like $60 for this whole setup, and I wish I had known that sooner because I've been doing YouTube for years, like I said, and I am just now figuring this all out. So I wanted to share that with you guys in case you guys are kind of starting out too, and I just want to give you a jump start that I did not give myself. So I do really like these lights and everything. Now I feel like all I need is a desk and I'm like good to go. My setup will be ideal if I just have like a desk. But like I said, I will link everything down below. I will also be obviously inserting pictures. I already did that because I don't want to show you like my actual lamps. My room's a complete mess, but I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys want to see like how I edit my YouTube videos with a green screen, then you can just let me know and I will gladly show you guys that in a different video. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this and found a little bit of this information helpful. Like I said, everything's going to be linked down below. You can go check it out, the exact items that I bought. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video very soon.